Unprecedented rainfall hits Zichron Yaakov. Israel floods force school evacuation and road blockage. The rains caused flooding in the afternoon, Tuesday, in the Carmel Beach area, which led to a road blockage and the evacuation of students from school. No injuries were reported. The meteorological service reported a record-breaking amount of rain measured today in Zichron Yaakov, 196 millimeter in just 4 hours this morning. This is an all-time record in Israel. In Magen Michael, the students of the Carmel Beach High School were evacuated due to flooding in the area. Children were recorded jumping in the water that flooded the place. In addition, the police informed that the coastal road was blocked at Zichron interchange to the south due to flooding on the road. Police are on the scene directing traffic.